on Microsoft Excel 2010, such as formatting cells, formulas, absolute, and functions. Now, the first thing I'm going to teach you is formatting cells. There are many ways to format cells. Luckily, it's fairly simple. One way is to change the category of the cell. So I'll just write down a bunch of numbers just to show you. So all you have to do is highlight the cell, right click it, or you can just right click it right away, format cells, and go to the number tab inside this option. And you'll see there's a bunch of categories. So you can change it to fraction, percentage, time, accounting currency, which is money. See, this is really important because you cannot just simply put the dollar sign in front of this number. It means something totally different. So you always have to format the cell so it changes into currency if you're doing money. Another way to format cells is merging and splitting cells. So first I'm going to highlight these two cells. I'm going to go to the home tab on the ribbon, and then I'm going to press here, which is merge and center. You can go to the arrow, merge and center, and then you can go do any of these options. So I'm going to press merge and center, and these cells are going to merge together. Now, to unmerge them, you can simply click this again, and voila, they are no longer merged together. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to do some formulas. So today I'm going to show you some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like just simple math things. So when you do a formula, you always have to have the equal sign in front, always, no matter what. So the equal sign is going to be put in front. I'm going to put 3. Now the addition sign is just the plus on the keyboard. Shift equals, so it's going to be 3 plus 3, and that'll be 6. See how simple that is? And now I'm going to do 3 minus 3, and that'll give me 0. Now the subtraction symbol is the dash on the keyboard, so I'm going to do 3 minus 2 instead. Oops, my bad, 2, and that'll give us 1. For multiplication, we're going to do the asterisk, which is shift 8. So I'll do 3 times 2, and that'll be 6. And for division, it will be the forward slash. So I'm going to do 10 divided by 5, that'll give us 2. Alright, now for something pretty tricky. So this is a fairly hard formula. So this is called an if statement. So what you're going to do is you're going to press equals, because you always have to have the equal sign in front of the formula. You're going to do the word if in capital letters, and then you're going to put a bracket. So you're going to enclose these things. If statements are usually used, I guess, for true or false to see which one is right. So logical test. So say, before I do this, say we want to find if a number is bigger. So I'm going to put 9 here. I'm going to do if bracket, and is this cell, which is L5, we're going to do is 9, which is bigger than 100. And obviously is not, but the computer can solve it for us. So we're going to do is 9 bigger than 100. So we're going to put a comma here. And when you put in true or false, say you want to put in true, like a word inside these sections, you have to put them in quotation marks. So we're going to do yes if true, and make sure to close with quotation marks too, and no if false, and then you close the bracket. And obviously, no, 9 is not bigger than 100. So that's how the if statement works. So I hope that is helpful. Now I am going to show you absolute. Now, absolute absolute is fairly hard, but first I'll show you something before absolute. We're going to show you the full. So I'm going to do 1, oops, I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And I'll put, say, equals 1 plus 2, and that will give me 3. But with the fill, I can do 1 plus, oops, my bad, I'll change that back. So it was originally 1. So it's going to be 1 plus 2, but with fill option, it will make it 1 plus the next cell. So when I pull this right square down, or the square on the bottom right of the cell, I'll fill it. So it's going to be 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 6. And see, there you have it. Now, absolute is where it gets tricky. So instead, I'm going to show you. So say you have another equation over here. So I'm going to do 2 times 34. So I'll give us 68. I'll put another. So for absolute, I'm just going to put a bunch of random answers over here. So let's do equals 9 times 6 equals 12 times 4. And I'll also put a value over here. So I'm going to do equals 12 plus 2. So that's going to be 14. And so after I do that, absolute is kind of, it's with fill. So I'm going to click here first, and I'll just do addition, and we're going to do here. And it'll give us an answer. But if I pull this down, these are going to stay 54 and 48. The reason why that is because when I drag it down, it when you use the fill tool, it keeps going down each cell. So when you go down one cell, the other cell is going to go down with it. So what you have to do is, sorry, I'll just get rid of this. I will. So you want to put. Oh, sorry, I'm showing it absolute. And what you do is put a dollar sign inside, and then use the fill tool, and then it works. So what absolute does is that the dollar signs make it so that it stays on this cell, so it's planted there, so it doesn't move. So that is pretty much it for absolute. Now for some functions. So the first function I'll share with you is the sum function. And the sum function does exactly what it sounds like it's going to do. It's going to find the sum of a bunch of numbers. So you can do, first I'm going to put a bunch of numbers. So I'll put like 2, 3, 4, 12, 45. I'll go here, and you do sum, then you make a bracket again. And what you can do, you can drag from desired cells. So I'm going to drag, so it's going to find the sum of J7, 2, 2, and 7. So it's going to add together 2, 3, 4, 12, and 45. And then I close the bracket, enter, and the answer is 66. And it comes in really handy. So instead of doing manually 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 12 plus 45. See how much longer that took me? I can just use sum, drag, and then it'll be done right away. The next function I'll show you is our min and max. They are opposites of each other. So max finds the largest number in a group, while min finds the smallest number in a group. So I'm going to put equals max, bracket, drag from here to here, and obviously the largest number is 45. So I'm going to close the bracket and 45. Min, I'll just leave that here. Instead of finding the largest number, I'll find the smallest number. So the smallest number is 2, and there you go. After this, I am now showing you count. Now counts how many cells are highlighted. So say I have a lot more in here. So I'm just going to quickly Okay, so pretend you didn't count all those cells that I wrote numbers in. So all you do is equals, you write the word count, put it in a bracket, and then highlight all of these, and it's going to count how many cells are highlighted. So before I press enter, let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. So it should count to 20 here. And there you go, 20 cells. Now I will be showing you average, median, and mode. So in math class, sometimes you have to find the average of a certain amount of numbers. So I will just do, you type in the word average, average, make a bracket, highlight the desired cells, close the bracket, and the average of all these numbers put together is 60. Now, mode finds the most popular number, so the number that was repeated the most times in that cell. So let's do mode, and 7 is the most repeated number. Now last one is median. Now find the median, so which number or numbers, 10. So 10 is the median. So I hope this presentation or video helped you with Excel, and good luck.